We want to hear from youth for the Spotlight on Youth workshop on August 15th. For International Youth Day 2024, the Office of the Parliament will host a workshop for dynamic individuals focused on youth innovation and sustainable development. If you are a national between the ages of 15 and 35 and have a project or proposal that seeks to revolutionize the food, agriculture and environmental sector, then this is the space for you. With the onslaught of climate change, it is crucial, now more than ever, to find innovative and sustainable ways to grow the food we need, restore the planet, and integrate biodiversity in the transformation of food systems. So join us at the Spotlight on Youth workshop on August 15th and seize the opportunity to showcase your projects and initiatives. Get valuable insight from the experts in the field. Network with your peers who share your passion and interests, and share your sustainable solutions with Trinidad and Tobago and the world. Don't miss this incredible opportunity to make your mark and contribute to the sustainable future of Trinidad and Tobago. Deadline for submissions is Sunday, August 11th at 6 p.m. To learn more, contact the Office of the Parliament at 624-7275, extensions 2425, 2282, 2371 and 2291, or email us at iyd24@ttparliament.org. The Office of the Parliament's Spotlight on Youth workshop, August 15th, 2024. Seize the opportunity.